Know more about deposit photos. Deposit photos. Royalty-free stock photos, vector image, video and music. What is Deposit Photo? Deposit Photos has a library of 150 million images, and the studio where they were taken, Lightfield Studio, offers pre-orders on these pictures and videos. Deposit Photos feature. First, high-quality images and videos. Second, clean user interface. Third, free subscription available. Fourth, incentives. Fifth, good pricing options. 6. Mobile application. 1. High-quality images, videos. When you upload a photo, vector or video to a platform, it is made available at high quality and can be used on the internet or printed. 2. Clean user interface. The user interface is very neat and clean. Even a beginner can use this platform very easily. 3. Free subscription available. If you are not interested in committing to a subscription with Deposit Photos, then sign up for their free trial period where you will be able to download 5 images per day for 7 days. 4. Incentives. Deposit Photos currently pays between 44% and 52% royalties for each file that is sold via its pay-as-you-go payments plan. For its subscription plans, it pays 30 cents or 35 cents per image, depending on the number of downloads from buyers to you as an exclusive contributor. 5. Good pricing options. If you don't want to be locked into a contract and want to be able to change your plan whenever you want, then Deposit Photos Incorporated is the best option for you. 6. Mobile application. If you don't want to be locked into a contract and want to be able to change your plan whenever you want, then Deposit Photos Incorporated is the best option for you. Earn with Deposit Photos. If you decide to make extra money from your pictures and become a Deposit Photos contributor, the platform gives you this opportunity. To do this, all it takes is following the rules for each picture. File format: JPEG. The resolution of the file must be at least 3.4 MP, 2400 x 1600 pixels. File size must not exceed 50 megabytes. Files must be of the original size. You have to own any file that contains images of people or get permission from them first before selling it on Deposit Photos. Deposit Photo Library. The Deposit Photos library is categorized into common styles or themes with appropriate keywords attached to each image on its site so that users can easily find. License photos. All files on the Deposit Photos platform are royalty-free images of Black Friday. You won't need the permission of Deposit Photos contributors to use them. Deposit Photos Pricing. Photos in vector. First, standard license. It includes 3 images $42 per month, 10 images $49 per month, 25 images $99 per month. Second, extended license. It includes 1 image $89 per month, 5 images $359 per month, 25 images $1,599 per month. Music and SFX. First, standard license. It includes 1 download $39 per month, 5 download $139 per month, 25 download $399 per month. Second extended license. It includes 1 download $349 per month, 5 download $999 per month, 25 download $1,999 per month. Pros. A large number of pictures, vectors, and videos are available on this platform. You will get a large number of varieties on this platform. The Deposit Photos have a very neat and clean user interface. The customer support of the Deposit Photos is something you can really depend on. You will get the support you are looking for in the Deposit Photos. Cons. Free plan is not available. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for digital marketing tools. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website, www.idealonlinebusiness.com. The link for the website is given in the description box below.